Hello again. My name is Wakila here, and we are in this series where we are discussing uh, the major pentatonic scale shapes on the bass fretboard, and we have so far dealt with the first shape or mode number one, and the second shape, which is mode number two. So we've said we're in the G major pentatonic scale, and our first mode is the G major pentatonic mode. Our second mode is the A suspended pentatonic mode. Now we are dealing with the third, uh, the third mode, and the third shape. So the third shape starts from the note B. Okay, so B is right here on the 12th fret. So we go B and we proceed D. We take only those notes that are in the major pentatonic scale. So B, we go to E, we go to G, go to A, B, D, E, and back to G, then A there. So you can see the formula is still, for the G major pentatonic scale, is highlighted here. The root is highlighted. The formula is still 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1. If you start on the G itself. Now, this major pentatonic scale, which is the G major pentatonic scale, we have said the intervallic formula is tone, tone, 1.5 tones. As you might check on the top here, we're using this as a reference. So it's tone, tone, 1.5 tones, tone, 1.5 tones. Okay. Now, that's for the G major pentatonic scale. Okay. Now, this G major pentatonic scale is the third, this particular shape here is the third mode, and is called the B mangong. Mangong. Mangong, mangong mode, or mangong pentatonic mode. Okay. So it starts from B. Okay. So it's actually, you're running from B to the next B in the next octave. That's how you look at modes. You're running from B to the next into the next octave, because you have an octave from G to G. It's an octave. From G to G, it's the second octave there. So from B to B, that's an octave. So you're running just one octave from B to the other B in the next octave of of this G here. We're talking about, we are in reference to this G here. So you're moving from B to B. So the intervallic structure there, as you may want to see here, you're just looking at it. It's from B to D, D to E, E to G, G to A to B. So it's actually 1.5 tones, tone, 1.5 tones, tone, tone again. Okay. So again, let's put it 1.5 tones, tone, 1.5 tones, tone, tone. Okay. So that's our our formula there intervallically, and it's pretty simple. Then let's look at our formula in terms of degrees. Again, in fact, all the time when you're looking at modes and you want to figure out what that mode is, and it starts with a B there, and you know that you're dealing with the major scale, you have to superimpose that on the B major scale. Okay, the B major scale. So you find out that there was supposed to be there and a second there, but as the second is not there, and there's supposed to be a third there. The third is not there. This is actually a raised second, or a diminished, or a minor third there. This one, this D here. Okay, D is actually a minor third of the B, of the B, of this B, B major scale. If you realize the B major scale doesn't have a D in it, actually has a D sharp there. So it's actually, this is a minor third. Okay, and then you go there. There was supposed to be the fourth there, which is there. The fourth is there, and the fifth was supposed to be there. It's not there. It's been raised to there. That's a sharp five there, and sharp five. And you go there. There's supposed to be a 60 there. It's not there, and there is this one A there. That's a flat 7 or a raised 6. Okay. So if we are going to put it in terms of the formula now, let's put it in terms of formula. It's actually 1 flat 3 4 sharp 5 flat 7 and back to 1. Okay. So again it's 1 flat 3 4 sharp 5 flat 7 1. So that's the formula of the B Mangong pentatonic mode. So any Mangong pentatonic mode is 1 flat 3 4 sharp 5 flat 7 and back to 1. So that's the third mode of the major pentatonic scale. And in this particular case, the third mode of the G major pentatonic scale is the B Mangong pentatonic mode. So in terms of the shape here down here, you can memorize it by looking at the frets, which is B to D, E to G, A to B, D to E, and G to A. Now you might find out this is the 12th, 13, 14, 15. So it's 12, 15, and 12, 15, 12, 14, 12, 14, 12, 14. So you can do it that way to kind of memorize your scale or your scale shapes quickly. That's what you can do there. And I urge you to ask any questions that you might have there, so that I explain these things to you, and then you settle them in your mind once and for all. You just hammer them, once and for all. So this is the mode, the third mode of the major pentatonic mode, major pentatonic scale, which is the in this case G major pentatonic scale, and our mode is B Mangong pentatonic mode. I would like to thank you very much for watching this, and please watch this episode over and over again until you are able to master, and write things down on your fretboard, on your papers, until you master these shapes. And then in the next episode we're gonna play them, and we're gonna compare them with other scales, and so on and so on, and we'll come up with things that are good to play on the fretboard. Thank you very much. My name is Vakila. See you in the next shape.